Hello, this is Matthew Fagan, and this is the final presentation for our iOS class for our Messenger app. Our group consists of Kevin Hoffmeister, Ryden Neal, and Matthew Fagan. So the problems we faced, we decided to use Firebase to handle the messaging and accounts for the app. So first we had to learn how to implement Firebase. We faced the issue of never having used Swift before, so we began by watching some tutorials and doing a few beginner programs to get the gist of Swift. And we used GitHub for our source control, and we learned kind of the hard way that Swift doesn't do source control super well through Git. Basically, when we merge or pull the code, there's always some issue with Firebase mostly. And then last was accomplishing real-time messaging through the app. So our accomplishments from this was we were able to create accounts with the ability to change password by sending an email to the account on file. The ability to create chat channels that can be entered to view and send messages, and the ability to send messages in real time. The messages appear in order and they appear instantly. So let's go to run the code, and I've already got the simulator open here. So I'll start by signing up a new account. So it's not going to be a real email. This is just to show. Try@gmail.com. Gmail. Password. Sign up. Account successfully created. So if I go try@gmail.com, say 1, 2, it checks it on Firebase, and yeah, we are now logged in. So I'm going to go ahead and log out so I can show the other features of the login screen. So this is an actual email. Now, if I wanted to reset my password, let's use one I actually have. So mfagan1 at gmail or at uco.u password, or I don't even have to enter the password. I just hit reset password, and email will be sent to this email account. So I'm going to log into my school email real quick. Connect. I don't know why it does that. It's not giving my email. I'll do a different account because Uconnect is not working. So Fagan27 at gmail.com. Reset password. So let me go to that Gmail account. And there it is. Reset your password for this project. So you click the link, and it takes you to reset your password. So I'm just going to enter a password real quick. Hit save. Password's now changed. So I'm going to enter my new password. And yeah, I can log in with it. So we have the ability to change password, and we have the ability to change email. So I'm signed on to that account, enter a new email here, hit change email, and we'll do that as well into Firebase. Well, I got one more time, because I'm going to go to my school one, because it has more channels and things on it. All right, so I'm going to take you through the history of our app real quick because these two buttons no longer do anything, but I left them on because this is what we originally had as our messaging app when we first started. We would hit new message, it would take us to here, you'd enter the recipient, so just enter message, hello, and then you hit send. And you have to go back and you hit my chat, and it would bring up any messages you've been sent. And it would show you who they were sent by. But this button no longer works. This was our first iteration of the app, and we abandoned it for our new iteration, which was Channels app. So on the channels, you can see channels here. If you click view the channel, it's empty right now. Hello. It appears instantly, and everyone in this channel will be able to see it. I'm going to show you Firebase here in a second to show you all the workings that are going on. But let me just send a few more test messages. Test 1, test 2, and they appear in order, starting from the top that is newest, working down. So yeah, and then you're able to create new channels here. Channel name, Tinker. Hello, this is Tinker. Create the channel, go back. And here's a few of the ones I've been tinkering with, but hello, this is Tinker right there, my new channel. Now, I'm going to go to show the workings through Firebase now. So this was our Zax Messenger Firebase. You can see the channels here. So this was our first iteration. Hello, my friend, sender email, mfagan, timestamp. So this database right here is no longer used. We abandoned it for the channels. So let's go to the dog one. This is the one that we use mostly for our tests. So it has the channel field, channel name, channel description, all the users that have access to this channel, and then go to messages. And these are the test messages I just sent. It has a timestamp to put them in the right order. Whoever sent it, as you can see in the channel. I'll go back to it. It shows who sent it. It shows the contents here and a timestamp to keep them in order. So yeah. So to recap, we have the ability to log on, reset our password with an email, reset our email once you're actually inside your app. We began by doing new messages, old messages, but we abandoned that for the channels, which you can create a channel, add users to the channel, go into the channel, view messages sent by anyone in real time. So yeah, that's what we accomplished with our app. Thank you.